Nate's ready. Nate's ready to ball. Maybe we just need to come out here more and dribble around more. Maybe that'll help him open it.
I like that.
Right? Maybe it would kind of be like,
work on some
should.
Just throw them off the backboard.
Yeah.
Real hard.
Just show them we're ready. And there's only a couple of us. Give us a hoop.
Right.
It's no different than this. Working out. These three guys. Same thing.
The problem is they're going to abuse it. Which, dude, there's some places that aren't shut down. Up on Westchester,
I know,
there's a full court. And just yesterday, I saw 35 fucking people.
Wow.
Chill.
35.
You got 10, and you got 10 at least waiting. And then there's others that aren't
On
playing.
one court.
All hanging out in the same area.
On one court. Merry Christmas, bros.
What's up?
Merry Christmas. We're going to try this water.
All right,
We're going to try it.
Look how cool this is.
Oh, yeah. Workout center. Fitness club right there.
Yeah, we'll mix it up.
35 cats at one court. Should we help them out? They got it?
Can we help you out?
All right. I think she was going to charge it. I guess. Ooh, nice. Green team. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, I thought he had those tunes. But her having those tunes is good too.
Dick sucking and all this shit right behind the
E40, I know. Cali stuff. Oh yeah. A lot of bikers. Some people coming out, yeah. The tourists are coming. They're seeing our beach videos. Feels like 65 degrees, 70 degrees. We're ready. We're going for it. Keep it orbital. Catalina. Wow, is that Catalina? No.
Yep.
Bam, huh?